Welcome to Tarifa, the surf capital of Europe. Today I'm taking you to the most iconic spot, Valdevaqueros beach. Just look at this, wind, waves, energy, it's crazy. People call this place the Bali of Europe because it's so chill and boho. And this is Tumbao Bar, it's the heart of the beach. Everyone is just chilling on the grass, grabbing a mojito and watching the kites. If you're looking for that perfect summer vibe, this is it. But there's another side to Tarifa. The other beach is very quiet and peaceful, it's a completely different vibe. Right here, the Mediterranean Sea meets the Atlantic Ocean. On one side it's calm, on the other it's wild. You're literally standing between two worlds. It's the southernmost point of Europe and, on a clear day, you can see Africa right across the water. Alright guys, now we're heading into the heart of Tarifa. We're passing through Puerta de Jerez. This gate is huge, it's the main entrance to the old town and it's been here since the 13th century. Welcome to Tarifa's old town, a charming mix of history, whitewashed streets and ocean breeze. Let's take a quick stroll through this magical corner of southern Spain.
From the port of Tarifa, you can take a high-speed ferry and reach another continent in just 1 hour. It is the fastest way to travel from Europe to Africa. In a very short time, you leave Spain and arrive in the magical city of Tanger, Morocco. It is a crazy feeling to change countries and culture so quickly. Tarifa has a unique bohemian vibe. It is the kitesurfing capital of Europe, so the energy here is amazing. You can feel the Moroccan influence in the white streets and the smell of spices. It is a mix of surf culture and old history. It feels free, relaxed, and very cool.
The old town is packed with cozy cafes and great spots for tapas or drinks.
At the end of the street, we find this beauty, Iglesia de San Mateo Apostol. Just look at that facade. It's from the 16th century and is the main church in Tarifa. What do you think? Is Tarifa on your bucket list now? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this tour, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next one. Bye bye!